This is Trayanne with FRVTA, and I'm at the Florida State Fairgrounds for opening day of the 2024 Tampa Bay Fall RV Show. We're kicking off opening day with an incredible selection of the latest and greatest RVs, all on display in one huge location. Imagine the opportunity to explore the entire world of RVs side by side from some of the area's top dealerships, all competing to earn your business. Whether you're a first-time buyer looking to upgrade or just want to check out the newest trends in the RV world, there is no better place than right here. And with 8 local dealerships showcasing their very best RVs, the options are endless. You can stroll from dealer to dealer and compare all your favorite models side by side. The best part, each dealer here knows they're competing with the others, so they are offering the best deals possible to earn your business. Not only do you get the chance to compare multiple brands and models, but you also have the unique benefit of speaking with manufacturer representatives. These experts know the ins and outs of each RV model, from cutting-edge technology to energy-efficient features. They're here to answer your questions, walk you through the latest innovations, and provide insider knowledge that's hard to find outside of an event like this. And if you're looking for the right incentives, there's no better place than here. From show-exclusive financing options to special show discounts, these offers can make purchasing your RV at the show a wise decision. Dealerships have pulled out all the stops to make it easy to get the RV of your dreams. We have a great selection of RVs of all types, including Class A and Class A diesel motorhomes. These luxurious, spacious RVs are homes on wheels, with top-notch amenities perfect for those who want to travel in style. Class C and Super C motorhomes. These offer a great balance of comfort and drivability with many sizes and floor plans to choose from. Class B camper vans, compact and versatile. These are great for anyone who loves the idea of a road trip without the hassle of towing. Fifth wheels with spacious layouts and easy to tow options. There's something here for every family size and travel preference. We even have this beauty here on display. There are travel trailers of all sizes, from ultralight to destination trailers with all the comforts of home, compact teardrops perfect for the minimalist, and toy haulers in case you want to take it all with you. We even have custom cottages perfect for the Florida lifestyle, and a selection of gorgeous trucks. On top of all that, we have a huge tent of vendor booths where you can discover RV resorts, camping gear, and innovative RV tech. If it enhances your RV lifestyle, you'll find it here. These vendors are also showcasing special discounts and show-only items, so don't miss out. Make sure to stop at the iPad table as you enter the show to register to win. We're giving away 2 $100 gift cards daily. There's even a raffle for this bad boy, with the proceeds going to the Boys and Girls Club of America. And it's all right here at the Florida State Fairgrounds, making it convenient and easy to find exactly what you're looking for without the pressure of visiting multiple dealerships in different locations. You can take your time, talk to experts, and make informed decisions. And if all this RV shopping wears you out, we have a selection of fair food and frosty adult beverages. So whether you're shopping for your first RV, planning to upgrade, or just looking for inspiration, the Tampa Bay Fall RV Show has it all. Come see why this is the best place to shop for your new RV, meet fellow enthusiasts, and experience the excitement of RV life. The 2024 Tampa Bay Fall RV Show is being held at the Florida State Fairgrounds November 7th through 10th. The gates are open Thursday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Sunday from 9 to 4. For more information, please visit our website, frvta.org, and click on the show link on the homepage. And please subscribe to our YouTube page, FRVTA, for sneak peek and opening day videos of all of our regional multi-dealer RV shows, the annual Super Show, and highlights of amazing Florida attractions, state parks, and RV resorts. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the show.